Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. So here is the fourth video of our series in which we are learning Korean vocabulary alphabet wise. So if you've not watched the first three videos of the series in which we learn words starting with Kyo, Lien and Tigit, then don't worry, I'll share the link of this complete playlist in the description so you can easily have an access to all these videos and watch these because they are very interesting and at the same time very helpful in your learning journey. Okay, now let's begin with this fourth video in which we are exploring common Korean words that start with the letter Lir. The letter Lir brings us some useful Korean words. So let's add some new Korean words in your vocabulary list. Now, before we go through this video, here is a very important note. There are almost no native Korean words starting with Lir due to some historical pronunciation rules. Okay, there are some rules, very old rules, very historically important rules when this Korean language was getting developed. So these rules were set at that time, and according to these particular rules, you will find that almost, I'm using the word almost, although I have never seen a word, there's no native Korean word that starts with Lir. So most of the words you see with Lir at the beginning, they are actually loan words, words that are borrowed from other languages. And that is the reason that you rarely encounter Lir at the start of a word in everyday conversation in Korean language. Because loan words are not that popularly used in Korean as compared to pure Korean words, obviously. So it means that you won't find any pure Korean words that start with Lir, and all the words that are known, they are loan words. Okay, so now the point is that the rules that are responsible for this phenomenon, we'll discuss them in some other video because that is not necessary right now. As in this video, our focus is on learning words, or I should say loan words in case of Lir. So, without wasting any time, let's begin and keep this thing in mind that the words that we are going to come across in this video, all of them are loan words. Okay? All right, let's begin. Radio, radio, radio. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Robot, robot, robot. Remote control, limocon, limocon. Lipstick, lipstick, lipstick. Instant noodle, ramyeon, ramyeon. Now, some of you might be thinking that ramyeon is a Korean word. Okay, right, that's correct. It's a Korean word, but it has been borrowed from the Japanese language, which means it is a loan word, a Korean loan word that has its origin in Japanese language. Okay? Rugby, Lokpi, Lokpi. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered a very few Korean words that start with Lir. If you can think of any other Korean words that begin with Lir, then please do share them in the comment section. I know there are few other words. I only covered the words that are commonly used or are popular. Okay? All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Okay, thank you.